Now, the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
I'm meteorologist Shay with an update on the tropics. Take a look. Tropical Storm Hermine, still a tropical storm, obviously, but packing 65-mile-per-hour maximum sustained winds. It is expected to become a Cat 1 hurricane before it makes landfall into the Big Bend area of Florida later on tonight. So it is moving to the north-northeast at about 14 miles per hour. It is going to cross over the panhandle of Florida and then into Georgia overnight. So by tomorrow morning, it is going to be impacting southeast Georgia and then through the Carolinas before it finally exits and moves back out into the Atlantic. So along with it, packing some very strong winds. And as far as our area is concerned, the impacts are mainly going to be felt today, but we'll still get some of those rain bands into tomorrow. So scattered storms off and on through Friday. The gusty winds really will be tonight, and then tomorrow during the day we'll still have some breezy conditions as a result of those bands and the backside of the system rolling through. The chance for isolated tornadoes continues through tonight as well as those bands roll on shore. But tomorrow it looks like the risk really becomes almost near zero. So again, we're looking today at some heavier bands of rain, especially closer to the coastline. We're also approaching high tide at 2:30, and that means that the coastal flooding risks are going up throughout the afternoon, and then we'll come back down later on in the evening. But with the heavy rain moving on shore at the same time, we could have some flooding, to say the least, in some of the same areas that we had yesterday, even though the rainfall won't be quite as consistent. Into Friday, we're looking at about 70% coverage of showers and storms, so still a few bands rolling on through, giving us some heavy downpours. And then into the weekend, we'll see gradual improvement with more and more sunshine in the forecast and more summer-like thunderstorms each day.